Hi, my name's Chris. HACCP is centered around controlling and mitigating hazards throughout the production environment. Out of the box, Plex provides the tools you and your team need to effectively control and manage those hazards throughout production. Plex allows you to create control plans specific for each product line. This will help identify the manufacturing process and the required quality checks associated to each step. At the control panel, the operator interface, this is where the operator will see digital check sheets for completion. This will align with the control plan to showcase various sample size and time frequencies. All digital records will be kept and maintained within Plex. With Plex's built-in document control system, it allows you and your team the ability to effectively manage and streamline the document approval process by ensuring revisions are maintained and everybody has access to the associated documents. With our built-in auditing capabilities, you can help ensure process validation by scheduling audits that you and your team can complete. Notes can be documented and pictures can be associated for reference, and scores can be populated to showcase the results of the current audit. In the event of a non-conformance, Plex's built-in problem control tool will allow you and your team to effectively manage that non-conformance by setting up a 7-step corrective action, initial problem report, or even escalating to an 8D. Plex will give you and your team the tools needed to effectively determine root cause. Out of the box, Plex brings quality to the plant floor by streamlining your document approval process, bringing in-process quality checks to your operators, and providing tools such as 7-step corrective actions and audits to validate and improve your process. Hope you can see how Plex can help manage your HACCP requirements within your facility. Thanks.